All right, here's what we got for today. We got some dead red oak trees. Got hit by the oak wilt fungus, I'm sure. All overlooking the lake. So we have this small one here. And then this is the biggest one. I'll be climbing it and we'll just drop the tips down into the beach area down there. It's quite a ways down there actually. We are just hauling small brush, all wood, pretty much 2 inches and larger. It's gonna stay on site. We've got two little ones here, 1, 2. Probably recognize this place here. We just finished up. I did a couple videos ago working here, so we're working for the neighbor now. And I have done work in the past. I took this large oak tree down, that large oak tree down, a couple others, an ash over here. So I think we're gonna tackle this largest one first, and I think it'll be the only one I have to climb. Then this one, we'll go ahead and get a rope in it, both of these, and just pull them into this opening here. I do have the tractor positioned here. I was able to get into the backyard just barely. I do have a septic system here, and this was a major concern for us when I was taking this tree down years ago. That's kind of it. I'm going to work on getting a line set in this red pine first. We'll go up this, wreck this oak out, and then see where that leads us. Alright, finding out quick, I'm going to have to redirect here. This is already pulling me kind of away from where I want to be. Not rigging any of this, so I am going to leave a few stubs for footholds. Yeah, so I got to get up higher yet to miss those docks. I didn't see that other piece coming out the backside. Overcast day. Originally it was calling for thunderstorms all day. I kind of didn't think I was going to get this job done, but I woke up and they'd all gone through last night. So here I am. It's actually me and my wife's anniversary today. 13 years. 4 kids. Certainly blessed to have her. Keep telling her I'm not going to trade her in for a new model just yet. But just kidding, I'll never trade her in. house. I'd like to get up there though. I think I'll go ahead, redirect my main climb line up to here. If we can. Put a little alpine butterfly in on that. Now this is all in on this. That's better. Yeah, way better. We'll send this head now. I might try and actually turn this one a little bit. Nice day. Just a little breeze out of the north, which is that way. Knew the ants weren't going to be happy. Pretty much at a spot where I can fall this now. I'm going to jump over into the maple and just clean up a little bit of what I busted off. That's nice. Might make another cut. Send some of those buggers. I figured she was hollow somewhere. There. Well, it definitely would have been faster to climb this tree, but I was kind of wanting to do a little bit of rigging trickery, so got the blue rope. It's going to be hard to see, but this blue rope is going to the tractor. Redirect here up to a redirect, another pulley that comes down on this white line and it's just locked off to the porter wrap. It's just going kind of up over a limb, and the blue line goes to the top of this little oak tree. Got a little pull, so I'm just going to face cut it in and we're just going to rig this tree whole. That's the plan anyway. So I'll just put a wide open face cut in this thing. where we want to be. Yank that one over quick. I don't think I filmed it, but that was fine. The plan here is actually to gently set this down into the red pine here. So I'll just face cut it, back cut it, block it up, and yank it over with the tractor. I got the rope put into it. It's heavily weighted towards the lake, but not a very big tree. I'll just do an open face cut like I've been doing. And I kind of hope it rolls into that opening then. We'll see. All right, see where she winds up. right into there. So that's good. Slash this out now. Are you wanting that all cut up too, Rich?
Yeah, if you'd like to.
Not really, but I can for you if you want me to. Okay. Well, that was the end of this one. Everything turned out pretty good. We got everything cleaned up for them. We didn't have much to haul for brush. You actually saw what little I needed to haul. I put in the back of the truck, actually. That way I could one-trip this thing. So thanks for hanging out with me. We'll catch you on the next one.